Hi, John from DryFlush. We're going to have our video now on how to install our click mount kit, our floor mount kit. First of all, just start off, read the instructions and familiarize yourself with the different steps before jumping in, and that's just going to make your process a lot easier. With that, we're just going to, having read all of this myself, we're going to get into it, all right? So we start off with our floor mounting template, all right? And the way that this is set up, put this end against the wall, all right? And we're going to tape that down. Now, this is going to have the toilet be about 1 inch off of the back wall, all right? If you wanted to leave 3 inches, make a parallel line 2 inches out and put this up against that parallel line, and now you will have your toilet mounted 3 inches off of the wall, okay? For the purpose of this video, we're just going to have it directly against the edge, all right? Okay, so now we've gone off and taped down our template. We're going to go ahead with our 7/64 drill bit, and we're going to drill out all of the different locations on our template. We've now finished drilling out our locations, remove the template, and we're going to now fix these down onto the floor. Okay, so now we have the plates mounted onto the floor, and now it's time to go off and use our other template to mount the plate onto the bottom of the Laveo. Okay, so now we've gone off and cut the radius on our template B, all right? We've gone off and set it here where the lines are on either side of our battery keeper plate, okay? And we've gone off and taped it onto the bottom of the toilet. Now we're going to drill out those locations with a 9/64 drill bit, and we'll fix that plate on there. Now we've gone off and drilled out our holes, and we've removed the old template. So now we're going to go off and take our Plasite screws. See, these screws have a very coarse thread on them. They're designed to thread into plastic, all right? And we'll go ahead and put all 4 of those on. Okay, so we have our mounting plate B up here. We have our battery keeper plate ready to go. All the other panels are on there. So now we're going to go off and make sure that the wing nuts are up high enough. Get them up out of the way. Okay. We're going to take our Laveo and spin it around now. So we're going to make sure that the Laveo is ahead of the mounting plate, all right? And we're going to just slide it back in, all right? And as it goes back in, your front plates grab together. Now they're interlocking, all right? And we just tighten down these wing nuts here, and we are all set.